'Tis the season to supersize your business, of course. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here with Supersize Your Business. And 'tis the season is part of and parcel to the idiom we covered a couple days ago, deck the halls. Deck the halls with balls of holly. Fa la 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 la. There's lots of fa la 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 la's in that song, by the way. I was going to see how many, but I didn't want to count them. So 'tis the season is, of course, a conjunction. It stands for it is. It was very common in Elizabethan English and in writing between 1555 and the 1700s. And then Mark Twain used it in Tom Sawyer. He used 'tis several times in that book. And from Deck the Halls, which was from, we talked about it the other day, the Welsh carol about actually the new year, ringing in the new year, from the 16th century. Nos Galen, I think was the original name. In 1862 was translated into English and brought into English by, I can't remember. I want to say Thomas Oliphant or something. I think Thomas Oliphant was one that translated the first time into English in like 1862. So 'tis the season to be jolly. 'Tis was used as a conjunction for a long, long time. It just means it's the time to celebrate the season of the year where we are kinder and gentler and happier and more positive versions of ourselves, and the fun holiday time. Now, it usually can represent from Halloween to January 6th, because some people celebrate the holiday as the 12 days, Christmas and to January 6th. So November 1st to January 6th, or Halloween to January 6th, is considered the holiday season. 'Tis the season for spreading goodwill and being kind and helping mankind. So what are some fun holiday traditions that you have in your family or that you have for your business? I have both family and business related traditions that I do. Every year we have a fun Christmas party, right? We get together, we have a holiday party. Sometimes it's a holiday party, sometimes it's just closer to Christmas than a Christmas party. And in the last year and a half, it hasn't really been much of a Christmas party. We did Zoom last year, and then this year we did just a small gathering, and we added Zoom to it too, which is weird, right? Christmas parties with Zoom and everybody sitting in their own houses, probably in their underwear with a nice shirt on. It's weird, but maybe it is the wave of the future. It's definitely handy to not have to go out in the cold here in Wisconsin to meet up somewhere. So what are some holiday traditions that you have? Do you have holiday bonuses or end of the year bonuses or Christmas bonuses? I actually heard about a local company, it's not in my city, but nearby, that is giving really good holiday bonuses to their employees this year, but only if they're vaccinated. Now, I have some comments and things to say about that, but all I will say is that how you do things, including holiday traditions or different things in your company, shows the world and tells the world all about you. Make sure that what it's saying about you is the message that you want to be conveying. So as we pick things and do things, let's just be cognizant of that. And that's awesome. That's fine. If you're encouraging people to get the vaccine and that's your way of doing it, that's fine. But think of the impact that has on the people that have their own reasons for not getting vaccinated, and all of a sudden they've worked next to somebody, done the same exact job, maybe even performed better, and they don't get a holiday bonus because they haven't gotten some arbitrary requirement that the company makes. Kind of scary to say what kind of a message that sends. So just make sure that you have things that represent what your company stands for in terms of bonuses, in terms of traditions, in terms of celebrations, etc. That's it. That is our idiom today. 'Tis the season to be jolly. And I won't do any more fa la 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 la's. I guess I just did. Have an amazing day. And share what you do right now for the holidays in the comments below. And I will be with you tomorrow with another holiday-related, Christmas-related idiom for this phase of December, because Christmas Eve is Friday. All right. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow. Bye. 'Tis the season to enjoy.